Hello guys! In today's video we're gonna implement an exercise called Guess My Number from this course I'm taking at EDX called Introduction to Computer Science and Programming using Python. So the program works as follows. You, the users, thinks of an integer between 0 inclusive and 100 not inclusive, that is from 0 to 999. Then the computer makes guesses, and you give it input. Is its guess too high or too low? Using bisection search, the computer will guess the user's secret number. And here we have an example of the program working. There is a message, please think of a number between 0 and 100. And is there a number 50? This is the guess of the program. Enter A to indicate the guess is too high. Enter L to indicate the guess is too low. Enter C to indicate I guessed correctly. So it will iterate until the program finds the number you thought about. And when it happens, it will print game over, your secret number was. But before we start coding the solution, let's take a look of what bisection search means. Let's suppose you thought about the number 12 in this interval from 0 to 99. Bisection search works by dividing this interval in half after each guess. But what it means? Here we have the beginning and the end of the interval, which is 0 and 99. L represents the beginning and H the end of this interval. First of all, we're going to calculate its middle point, which is the sum of L plus 8 divided by 2, and it will give us 50 as an integer division. We know that 12 is lower than 50, so using the idea of the bisection search, we are going to update this interval. It means that now the program is going to find a number between 0 and 50 and no more 99. In this way, we decrease the range of numbers to be guessed by the program. Then H is now 50 because we know the number we thought, 12, is between 0 and 50. We repeat the same process in our new interval, that is 0 plus 50 divided by 2, it will give us 25 as middle point. We see 12 is lower, higher, or equal to 25. We know it's lower, so we update our 8 again, right? And finally, we calculate the middle point of this new interval, that is 0 plus 25, that is divided by 2, that is 12. We compare if 12 is lower, higher, or equal to 12. We know it's equal, so the computer found the number we thought. Let's take a look in the second example, where our secret number is 30. First of all, we calculate the middle point, that is 0 plus 999, divided by 2, that is 50. 30 is lower, higher, or equal to 50. We know it's lower, so our H is now 50. We calculate the middle point of this new interval, that is 0 plus 50 divided by 2, and it will give us 25. 25 is lower, higher, or equal to 30. We know it's lower. Then our lower is updated. And our new interval is from 25 to 50. We calculate the middle point, that is 25 plus 50. It will give us 75 divided by 2. It's equal to 38. 38 is lower, higher, or equal to 30. we know it's higher. So we update our 8. Then we calculate the middle point again. 25 plus 38 is equal to 63 divided by 2 is 32. 32 is lower, higher, or equal to 30. We know it's higher. So we update our 8. Calculate again. 25 plus 32 is 57. 57 divided by 2 is 29. 29 is lower, higher, or equal to 30. We know it's lower. So we update L. And again, we calculate the middle point. 29 plus 32 is 61 divided by 2 is 31. 31 is higher, equal, or lower than 30. We know it's higher. So we update 8 again. Right? And finally, we find a middle point in this new interval. That is 29 plus 31. That is 60. 60 divided by 2 is 30, which is our secret number. I hope these examples were helpful to explain the concept of bisection search. So with this idea, I think we are able to implement our solution. Let's go. We're gonna print a message to the user. Please think of a number between 0 and 100, right? Here we're going to declare some variables to control the begin and the end of the intervals. So L is equal to 0 and H is equal to 100. And we're going to declare one more variable to use as a flag in our loop, right? And now we're going to have a while loop that will work as it follows. While not found, execute some instructions. And what are these instructions? First, we're going to calculate the middle point and store in a variable, let's say gas. 8 plus L divided by 2, an integer division. Then we print the message to the user. Is your secret number yes? Right? So it's going to calculate and print. Now we're gonna receive the hint. Then we're gonna print enter 8 to indicate the gas is too high. Can copy and paste. Enter L to indicate the gas is too low, and enter C to indicate I guessed correctly, to indicate I guessed correctly, and we get the input from the user. Put hint, right? Now we use some conditionals to compare the guess and the hint and see if we have to update our interval or if the program found the number we thought. And it will work as it follows. If hint is equal to C, so the answer from the program was correct. So found is equal to true. Else, if hint is equal to 8, it means the gas is too high. So we update our 8 value with the value of gas. And if hint is equal to L, then the gas is too low. So we update our variable L with the value of gas. Else, in the case of the user didn't type something valid, print sorry, I did not understand your input. Right? So how does it work? This while loop will execute while found is equal to false, because this condition will be true, right? Then in the beginning of each iteration, it will calculate the middle point of the interval, that is the 8 value plus L value divided by 2 as an integer division, and will attribute the result to gas. The program will ask if the number guessed is the one we thought. Here, we give a hint to the program. If our hint is C, it means that the program found the number we thought. So found receives true. Once found is true, this condition here becomes false, because not true is false. Then we're going to print a message of game over, right? So print game over. Your secret number was yes, right? But if our hint is 8, it means the gas is too high. So we're going to update our variable 8 with the value of gas. And if our hint is L, we're going to update the variable L with the value of gas. In this last case, we treat the situations when the user types an invalid input. I think with that, our program is finished and ready to be tested. So let's try some numbers. First, let's see 12 is our secret number. 50. 8, because it's too high, our number is 12. Your secret number is 25, still too high. Is your secret number 12? C, correct. So game over. The program found the number we thought. Let's execute again. Let's see the number 30. Is our secret number 50? No, it's still too high. Is your secret number 25? No, it's too low. Is your secret number 35? 37? No, it's too high. Is your secret number 31? No, It's still too high. Is there a secret number 28? No, it's too low. Is there a secret number 25? Still too low. Is there a secret number 30? Yes. So our program works, and that's it for today. Hope you enjoy it, and see you next time.